While it seems we are far from a recovery in this current virus crisis, there's already a clear difference and a meaningful distinction in successful fundraising. Nonprofits are getting right to the heart of solving their problems and addressing defined needs and services, and you're doing it with clarity and intention and great creativity. Without question, nonprofits are being resourceful. You have problems to solve and needs to address. There is no room for fluff or abandonment. That is, if you want to survive and stay relevant. Hi there, I'm Nancy Reeves, your fundraising coach. Before we continue, make sure you subscribe to my weekly insights by clicking below. That way, when there are more tips and strategies, you'll be notified. This virus has forced nonprofits to remove the excess, removing anything redundant, needless, or inessential, anything not contributing to or furthering the mission. Now, one of the worst mistakes a nonprofit can make is to eliminate fundraisers and their ability to effectively raise money for their nonprofit. Fundraisers, whether a CEO, executive director, or development director, are vital to the process of securing funds for the programs that serve and enhance our communities. As nonprofits rebuild and rethink their mission and programs, they are trimming the unnecessaries, the broken areas. Maybe changes have been avoided in the past because it's always been done this way, or no one wants to upset the apple cart. I remember as a new development director trying to make a change to a publication, I was met with great resistance. I was told by senior staff that no, we've always done it this way. You may have heard those horrifying words before yourself. This crisis has caused nonprofits to reflect and shift their strategies to a mode of let's get it done, let's focus on what matters, or let's use this time to rethink, assess, and rebuild. That's a good thing. It is heartbreaking to see so many nonprofits struggling at this time, watching their budgets get decimated and cutting staff, and with no end in sight as this crisis drags on. This is more than a crisis. It is an opportunity to do better. Let's turn our attention to those nonprofits that are surviving, adjusting, and getting results with their fundraising efforts. Let's look at what fundraisers are doing right now to be successful in these extraordinary times. Here are 6 areas of focus. Let's take a look. Nonprofits are number 1, turning to friends and supporters for help. Your top priority is to your most loyal supporters. In times of crisis, turn to your most loyal friends and donors for support. They are there to help and want to help you, but you must ask them for their help and support. Number 2, nonprofits are continuing to check in on donors. You are connecting with donors digitally and with great warmth. It's nice to be able to chat with donors longer these days. Donors have fewer distractions. You have fewer disruptions. No running off to long internal meetings or planning that next event. You are pausing and using this time to check in on your donors to see how they are doing and managing. Number 3, nonprofits are focused on the human connection. Fundraising has become more personal and relaxed. That's also a good thing. I see fundraisers connecting with donors without using heavy jargon, listing accomplishments, and stating formal mission, vision, and case statements. Number 4, nonprofits are seeing boards step up with more engagement. It takes time, but all board members should be making calls to donors right now. Board members do not have to ask people for money. They can engage in the fundraising process simply by calling donors to check in on them, say thank you for their support, and bring them up to date on how the nonprofit is faring in this crisis. Number 5, nonprofits are realizing retention is a golden strategy. Fundraising is first and foremost about relationships. Building and maintaining strong relationships with your donors results in donor retention. You need donors year after year. You want to keep the donors you have. So in this time of crisis, get on calls with your major donors and have meaningful conversations. And last, number 6, nonprofits are reminded of the ask language. Know how easy it is to say, Mary, would you consider a gift of $1,000 to XYZ nonprofit? Your gift would provide 1,000 meals to the 5,000 hungry individuals we serve each month now. Our food sources are low and our demand is extremely high. We need your help. Even if you're not serving a critical need right now, you should be making asks to donors to help cover your shortfalls. In summary, donors are responding to asks for support because they want to be a part of a solution, a part of something bigger than themselves, especially right now to causes they believe in. Be as assertive as possible in taking care of your donors, thanking them, and asking them to support your mission. They want to hear from you. I know you must secure funds for your organization right now to overcome, for many of you, massive shortfalls, and I know you need to secure large gifts. My goal as a fundraising coach is to make sure you are successful. To get you going, download my free Major Gift Fundraising Plan template. Here's all you have to do. Number 1, click here or go to fundraisingmaximize.com. Number 2, select Get Free Plan on the bright green button. And 3, download your free Major Gift Fundraising Plan template. This is such a valuable resource. Check it out. Remember to go to fundraisingmaximize.com. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, tell others about it. Thanks. I look forward to seeing you next time.